a back-to-back victory for Cebu City North as Gabriella Carballo clinched the crown as Miss Universe Philippines Cebu 2025. This marks the second consecutive win for the area, following last year's triumph by MUP Cebu 2024 Kris Tiffany Janson.
Our Miss Universe Philippines Cebu tourism is candidate number 5!
And Miss Irma Bitzer, then trip to Europe by Naga World International.
Joining Carballo in the Queen's Court are Miss Universe Philippines Cebu Tourism City of Naga's Chella Grace Falconer, first runner-up Santa Fe's AJ Quenihan, second runner-up Moalboal's Kim Emmerich, and third runner-up Jamie Javier of Lapu-Lapu City. During the Grand Coronation night, Carballo, a Doctor of Medicine graduate, shone brightly, bagging several minor and corporate awards including Best in Evening Gown and Miss Photogenic. In addition to winning the prestigious MUP Cebu 2025 crown, Gabriella Carballo, previously Miss Cebu 2022, has further cemented her status as a fierce contender. Reflecting the life's theme of delayed gratification, she shared how her dedication and preparation paid off.
It was definitely worth the wait. It's been a long time, but you know, a lot of people think when I say that it's delayed gratification, it doesn't mean that I just waited and I didn't work. But I went through a lot of blisters on my feet. You don't want to see what they look like now. I also went through really looking for people to train me, even for the things that I already was strong in a little bit. I still was like, you know what, I can't say that I'm good. I will always have room to improve.
Her inspiring journey took center stage during the final Q&A, where the 26-year-old beauty queen highlighted her commitment to environmental sustainability and protection. She revealed that her advocacy stemmed from a personal health struggle when she was diagnosed with a dermoid cyst in her right ovary, a turning point in her life.
I was going through a little bit of a lonely period of my life after I won my first title. I turned to service as a way to cope with loneliness, and I felt really fulfilled. But another thing that happened in my life is I was diagnosed with a dermoid cyst in my right ovary in 2023. So of course, ovary, you think, oh, is my fertility affected? And thankfully it's not. They were able to remove the cyst, but I then started thinking about my future children. And I really hope that one day, even if I'm blessed to have them, that they'll hopefully live in a world where you don't feel so afraid of how much longer we have here.
As the newly crowned MUP Cebu 2025, Carballo is now ready to represent Cebu on the national stage, alongside Miss Universe Philippines Cebu Tourism 2025 Chella Grace Falconer.
Of course, we're not stopping there. We have a long journey ahead. So I really hope that I maintain my energy levels. I'm really focusing on protecting my mind at this point. You know, this title gets more attention, and for me, really protecting myself against all of that and keep continuing on being the same person is at my core and is of utmost importance.
I'm actually extremely happy that I'll be representing Cebu to the nationals. Us two girls, me and Gabby, were actually talking backstage or during our rehearsals that we'll be top 2, and then we're gonna represent the powerhouse of beauty pageant, Cebu, diba?
The event was hosted by Miss Universe Philippines 2021 second runner-up Steffi Rose Aberasturi and Miss Universe Philippines 2020 Rabia Mateo.
Beauty in motion. Ladies and gentlemen, the eye-catching, whistle-beating candidates in their sizzling swimwear presentation.
The evening opened with a vibrant production number which earned Lapu-Lapu City's Jamie Javier the award for Best in Production. The competition heated up with a swimwear segment. concluded with elegance and grace as the ladies dazzled in pink during the evening gown competition. Corporate awards and special recognitions were also given, including Miss Congeniality won by Santa Fe's AJ Quenihan. This has been Joanne Clarice Espinosa for My TV Cebu.